something you could not control. But now, as you lie in the quiet darkness, you feel a new kind of strength growing inside you. It's the strength that comes from facing what scares you, from refusing to run away, from standing your ground even when your hands are shaking. You think about all the nights you spent awake, watching the shadows, listening for footsteps, waiting for something to happen. You think about the fear that kept you company, the fear that became a part of you, the fear that, in the end, taught you how to be brave. Because that's the secret, isn't it? The things that haunt us, they're not always there to hurt us. Sometimes they're there to teach us, to help us grow, to show us what we're made of. You remember the night the priest